to be posting on YouTube again. I haven't done this in like a really long time. I'm making this video as an update. So I've been officially using this product for 6 months, and I wanted to wait that long to see if this product would actually work, and it does. This video is about the Skin Bae IPL hair removal device. I basically decided I'm not spending money on like my nails, my eyebrows, my lashes, anything anymore, and I was still spending money getting laser hair removal done. And I've seen like tons of ads and commercials and stuff for other IPL hair removal devices, and I found Skin Bae, and first off I have to say this one is, look at the design, like the cutest one in my opinion, and the packaging. I decided to get it and I decided to try it, and I'm so happy that I did because my expenses on myself have went down to like pretty much zero. So I have had actual laser hair removal done, and this video is going to be like a comparison between the two. I have to say there's not much to compare because it's pretty much the exact same thing. The only difference is this is painless, whereas when I go to the salon it hurts a little bit. This is also a one-time purchase and you have treatments for the rest of your life. It kind of just makes sense. I use it on my armpits and my bikini line. My legs are too light to do laser hair removal, so if you do have blonde hair on your body parts, then you won't be able to use this, but it's basically for anyone with darker, coarser hair. It's also a lifesaver in the summertime because I do not have any razor burn anymore anywhere. I don't have to worry about last minute like, oh did I forget to shave today? None of that, because I am a hairless queen. In the box, you get the IPL device itself. You also get the charger, and then you get a sick pair of glasses too. I pulled these out and I was like, I would actually wear these to like a music festival or something. They're actually so sick. It's also really easy to use, so it's not like when you're doing treatments at home, you have to put the time aside to actually get it done. It's like super easy. If you leave it somewhere where it's convenient to just quickly plug in and use, you will not forget, and it only takes a couple of minutes. All you have to do is just plug the adapter into the bottom and stick it in the wall, plug it in, and then the top of the IPL device has the power button, and you just turn it on, and you do have an automatic or a manual option. Automatic is where as soon as it touches your skin, the laser is going to go off. The manual option is as soon as you press the button, the laser will go off, which is usually the one I use. It's completely painless as well, which I've already mentioned, but there's no pain. Like, it does not hurt, which is amazing, and it only takes a couple minutes. Like, each armpit probably takes me about like 2 minutes, and my bikini line as well, so like total of 10 minutes, and you have a salon treatment in your own house. And also use this device on your face, which is amazing. So you can use it's gentle enough that if you have any mustache hairs or facial hair that you do not want, you can use it on your face. It's safe to use. There's a bunch of different settings as well, so your skin type, your hair type, so hair thickness, the darkness, lightness of your hair. If you're also using it on your face, it is good for acne and skin rejuvenation. I don't have to use it on my face though, because I have really light body hair. But if you do suffer from severe acne, it's like going to a salon and also getting a laser treatment done for acne. For your first initial 6 sessions, you're gonna wanna do it once every other week, which 10 minutes a week is literally nothing. And after your 6th session, you can do it once every 4 months. So you're basically hitting whenever the new cycle or the new follicle of hair growth starts. After around your 10th session, which is kind of where I'm at right now, if you do notice a little bit of thin or patchy hair growth, you can do it every 2 to 3 months. So the longer you use this product, the less you have to use this product. But if you do all the math, your first 6 sessions, if you think about it, you're doing it months apart after that. I started doing my nails at home and I have to do them like every 2 weeks. So I can definitely put aside the time to remove my hair. Anyways, it's absolutely worth it for no hair. If you've ever thought about doing laser hair removal, just don't waste a bunch of money going to the salon. Just go grab one of these things. Do this instead. Like, take it from me. I've already wasted my money for you. That was my 6-month IPL hair removal treatment update. I do tons of product reviews on my TikTok and on my Instagram, so if you guys want shorter versions of these videos, make sure to go and follow me over there. I also link products in the description and also on my Instagram. But yeah, make sure to go follow me on TikTok because I literally test products on there, so you don't have to. Make sure to like this video if you guys want to see more YouTube videos. I don't post on here often. I can if you like the longer, more informational videos. I know TikTok sometimes is very short and I can't really fit a lot of information into those. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. Bye guys.